Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to paste without formatting in Microsoft Teams. This is incredibly useful when you want to copy text from a formatted message but paste it as plain text without carrying over colors, fonts, or styling that might clash with your current conversation. Let's start with a practical example. Imagine you're looking at a message in Teams that has specific formatting applied to it. Maybe it's in bold, italics, or has a particular color you want to copy this text. But you don't want all that formatting to come along with it when you paste it somewhere else. First, you need to copy the message or text. To do this, simply highlight the text you want to copy by clicking and dragging your mouse over it. Once it's highlighted, press Ctrl and C on your keyboard. This copies the text to your clipboard, including all its original formatting. At this point, the text is stored and ready to be pasted, but we're going to take a different approach than usual to remove that formatting. Now, here's where the magic happens. Instead of using the standard paste command, which is Ctrl and V, you're going to use a special keyboard shortcut that strips away all formatting. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus V on your keyboard. This is the paste without formatting command, and it's a game changer for keeping your messages clean and consistent. When you use Ctrl plus Shift plus V, Microsoft Teams will paste the text you copied, but it will automatically remove all the formatting. What you'll see is plain text that matches the default style of wherever you're pasting it. No more bold text, no more special colors, no more unexpected font sizes, just clean, simple text that blends seamlessly with your current message or document. This shortcut is especially handy when you're copying content from different sources or when you want to maintain a uniform look across your team's conversations. It saves you the hassle of manually removing formatting or retyping everything from scratch, and that's all there is to it. By using Ctrl plus Shift plus V instead of the regular paste command, you've successfully pasted your text without any of the original formatting. It's a small trick that makes a big difference in keeping your Microsoft Teams messages looking professional and consistent. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.